Secret said, Moin bhai, leave me or you will die. Moin bhai replied, how will that pan tapri wala run his house if I leave you?
By selling pan.
Where students are still struggling to draw a line with a scale, Mr. Moin bhai is living in 2060 breaking car locks with it. Khatak. I am joking, it's very common, like girls showing attitude after rejecting a rich boy and sitting and crying for next 6 months. Look at my stinking badbudar socks, my matmeli car, sasti 5 rupees Deshi Darul. Mumbai Fashion Road shoes first copy, 5000 rupees model begged to dance in background when I am rapping. People came to know Patal hip hop. What the? I mean underground hip hop.
Nallu.
So do these rappers live with snakes underground? Because many of them are actually snakes. A rapper said,
Nallu.
Murad the lucky man with his both earphones working and he enjoys songs with his partner.
अरे सेवा करनी है
तो माँ बाप की करो, लड़कियों में क्या?
When I buy earphone in 1 month later, it shows me middle finger by switching off one side.
अरे बेटे
How can you do this? I buyed you for 100 rupees.
Nallu.
But looking at the statistics and growth of underground hip hop scene, even Virat Kohli shocked, increasing faster than his muscles. Yo!
अरे बेटे
Number 1, Afat. We see our exams coming next week and leaving the front benchers, the minds of rest of the students start shivering with an repetitive pronunciation of word Afat. Aane wali hai. Studying and bringing 90% or 80% marks is what legends do, but not studying and bringing 70% is the thing that only backbenchers can do.
मैं 12 खड़ी पास हूँ.
Until teacher says बिल्कुल आवाज नहीं आनी चाहिए, do whatever you want. धड़ धड़ा धड़ धड़. Shooting was going on of Dil Dhadakne Do and Miss Zoya Akhtar was taking a nap where suddenly in front of her face, her editor Mr. Zubai showed her a video of Nazi and the song name was Afat. The words stuck in her head like Fevikwik which are not getting out and a new gully rap journey was started, which took her towards a new project.
मामा नगाड़े बजवा दो.
Number 2, Luck by Sher. Zoya ma'am was struggling with the character of MC Sher. Which actor should we cast for this energetic role? Energy is equal to Ranveer Singh. But Mr. Ranveer was already signed as Murad, who is a silent guy.
बात मत करो तुम.
Very silent. Like electric bikes which work on battery. Miss Zoya Akhtar saw Siddhant Chaturvedi on the dance floor.
लेकिन जो भी है बेबी तेरे नखरे बहुत है मेरा गॉगल का.
What? She was invited for the success party of Inside It series where she saw Mr. Siddhant Chaturvedi dancing with his whole energy as if the stage was of his mama's child. After party, Zoya ma'am approached Mr. Siddhant to come the next day itself to her office, meet her.
ये क्या हो रहा है क्या?
The next day, wearing the shoes, socks, Rolex watch, he went for the auditions. And Zoya ma'am told him to remove all these things. Because MC Sher used to roam the whole city in a banyan. Auditions done, everything on point, Sher signed and he was ready for grind. Everything was luck by Sher.
बात मत करो तुम.
Number 3, hyped. Everything in my life I got is second hand. Love, feelings, tears, teachers, second hand, straight on face for not doing the work properly. And in this world full of second hand love where you get your loved one who is the crush of someone and that someone is crush of other one. Too much fun.
जादूगर का जादू.
Stop requesting your bestie for a girlfriend. Yes, I have a lover boy in contact, Murad's father. 2 weddings. How much? 2. बोल, है हिम्मत कर पाएगा.
प्रतिपल तव संस्मरणं संस्मरणे मात्रं त्वं.
Getting frustrated by his father's chochile, he was completely hyped.
Sorry बाबू, मुझे माफ कर दो बाबू.
Mr. Ranveer did sessions with the legend Divine itself where he learned his flow and properly the way Divine pitches. Which you can see in songs like Kohinoor or Jangli Sher. Apna Time Aayega written by Divine where he suggested Ranveer sir to insert his flow in Apna Time Aayega with his own voice. Rest is history. Topped the charts without any big cars.
प्रतिपाल तव संस्मरणं
Number 4. My late. College students are very tensed in exam hall. It was easy to do tak jhak. But in online exams, all their telephone lights are cut down.
मत मार मेरे बाप, मत मार मेरे बाप, मत मार मेरे बाप.
All they can do is akkad bakkad bambe bho and take the wrong answer by successfully getting 2 marks less than 35. Failed.
मत मार मेरे बाप.
Getting dhoptainge na by his father with some fresh milky juicy galia.
बजाओ तालियां.
STS Engineering College second year.
Learn something from Murad, writing beautiful rap songs on terrace with a cigarette. Feel bro. And it doesn't copy lyrics, music, vibe, rhythm. Everything is original. How can you do this, Murad? You're fired.
खत्म बाय बाय टाटा
And not qualified from DJ and DJ Pritam Academy. Allegations were showered on Zoya Ma'am after the trailer released
It's copy.
of the film 8 km and I wasn't shocked.
अब तो आदत सी है हमको.
But it was completely original except the lever that Safina was going to transfer.
मत मार मेरे बाप.
Big shout out to this movie that I discovered Kam Pachas and Divine's music which is more fresh than synthol coolness.
मत मार मेरे बाप.
Number 5. Street Homies. Homies alias speaking the language of streets
ए बंगाल की शक्ल के
and slums from her luxury life. Hey auntie, hey baby, let's hang out, follow things.
जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं.
Nobody talks like this.
सेल्फी ले लो मेरी प्लीज.
Switching that rage button off and tuning into the Dharavi girl Safina wasn't difficult for her. They are actors and they are paid for this.
आपने तो मुझे छोटा मोटा काम सिखाया.
Everything is easy until you get paid for that work said by a legend Gyani Baba 4.0.
मारी.
ஒண்ணுமே தெரியலையே.
जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं.
But Mr. Ranveer was brought up in Bandra Talab, which is the border of East and West.
हाँ.
जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं.
What did you thought? He is a Bandra boy? No, he is a gully boy.
करता है
Roaming with the street boys, his homies living in Wadi, he was very familiar with the language, same as my book familiar with my middle page.
आप कौन? आपका क्या नाम है? हमसे क्या काम है?
When Nazi Divine Amibe spoke with him,
They were shocked.
as he was speaking the streets language, Bantai Bachi Bamai.
क्या बोल रही है पब्लिक?
थोड़ी अदरक मिलेगी.
सेल्फी ले लो मेरी प्लीज.
Number 6. Backed. Murad, a calm boy, was getting backing from his love interest.
ये वाली जात कभी सुधरेगी नहीं.
She was ready to dhop tengena to anyone for Murad. Even if I would have borrowed a sharpener from Murad, she would have. She fought for Murad with Albina.
She
Fought for Murad with Albina. But Taimur is sad because his parents are safe in Karina. Everywhere if you want to do Pateli, you need backing of Appa, Dada, Mama, Chacha, Fufa, Tau, Mau, Khau, Lasan.
ये अपना दिमाग खराब हो रहा है.
Zoya ma'am, when she used to look at the foreign rap culture and their artists
They started earning a lot of money.
hitting billions of views because of the strong backing and promotion by movies,
ये वाली जात कभी सुधरेगी नहीं. It broke her.
पूरा मूड खराब कर दिया
why Indian rap street culture is behind and she backed
The street rappers.
by making the scene beautiful, same as Murad and Moin by his friendship. We are proud of you, Divine Nazi. Anyway, just keep working. You are not far from Eminem.
ये वाली जात कभी सुधरेगी नहीं.